fuck off.
Try me, bitch.
Woo! Away!
Don't wear my chains. Oh yeah. She said, I think I'm going to Boston. I think I'll start a new life. I think I'll start over. When no one knows my name. Oh, that doesn't work. Yeah, no. Okay. Oh my god!
Wait, what?
But it's screen, it's not hard. Ooh! Oh my fucking god! Why didn't I just drop? Why didn't I just drop? Why didn't I just drop? That's okay. We'll do it again. Bye, everybody. Thank you. Yeah, I'm getting out of here. And guess what? It's like yours day. Nope. Hell nah. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Goodbye, everybody. No, I'm not doing a goodbye here. I'm not doing it. I'm not. Actually, maybe that would be a good note to leave on. But it's gonna cut me off. But you're